Are you gonna ride with me? Hold me down, will you listen? Never lie to me. This is all the sign I need. This is all the sign I need. This is all the sign I need.
Out in the rain, my Lorna. Put down forehead, they say I'm selfish. Out in the rain once more. Wash out my way, my feelings dirty. I'm just craving for
Somebody's babe, oh no.
I can't get that
Love for myself.
Say everybody's fine, but they can't be good. Even if they wanted to do, even if they try as they envy you. But you belong to someone, and I'm singing. I'm just craving for somebody's babe. Oh no, no, I can't get that love for myself. Ole, ole.
All my tears come serious, but don't forget.
Yeah, ole, ole.
Now pressure me, now pressure now. If not your babe, I want to.
Ole, ole.
Now all my tears come serious,
No.
but don't forget.
Ole, ole.
Now pressure me, now pressure now. If not your babe, I want to.
Baby, wait before you interject. You got the right impression, maybe.
I'm impressed.
Oh, the feeling shook you one day, so forget. Oh, you got a man and I can't
Remind
no, before the camera catch me for forget.
Got to better for play.
Something like go sweet in my birthday. If later you call me, or no later than 6:30. My girl won't like this, yeah. Make group chat, they talking my gist. Come try this, so bless romantic. But deep down, we should not be doing this. Can't talk party, oh. I know you, they feel like Ronaldinho. Say you want to mission impossible. I hope you know. Nobody has to know. Ole, ole. Oh, I'm alone, eh. Ole, oh. Ole, ole, ole. Nah, ole, ole, ole. Melodies gone for me, but down for it, my lover. Ja, melodies want for me now, but down for it, I love her. Ja, melodies want for me now, but down for it, my lover. Ja, melodies want for me now, oh, 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 oh. When I'm walking with you, watch the whole room change. 'Cause baby, that's what you
Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, hi, my name is Franca, and if you're my regular subscriber, welcome back. It's nice having you here. Today I woke up around 4. I think I woke up to use the toilet, and then I could not sleep back. I was awake all through till like 5, prayed a bit. I was just turning. Then at some point I was like, you know what? I might as well put all this bundle of energy to good use. And I think about maybe around 6 or so, I just brought my laptop and I started working. It's the end of the month, so report everywhere. This one, KPI, metrics, and honestly, that was what I was on this morning, so that I could send that out as soon as possible. And I think I slept back a bit, and then I woke up later. But I was just focused on making sure. That I finished that report and send out whatever document that is needed to go out ASAP as soon as possible. And then I Are you guys aware that the price of rice has come down? I don't know if everybody's aware, if it's just me, but I was not aware. It was my dad that had to call me this morning and be like, "Oh, am I aware that the price of rice has come down? Ah, that is everywhere on social media." The rate at which other people use social media now, it's even more than the way younger people do. You're like, ah, yes, now don't I do that? Do I not know that? And it was everywhere now that price of rice has come down. So I reached out to my customer here that sells food stuff around my area, and it was like, oh, rice is. My dad told me that it was around 50 to 55k where he is, and I was like, okay, let me confirm, because last week I remember still asking last week, and they told me the bag of rice was 74k. Then I called my guy that sells food stuff, and he told me, oh, bag of rice is 60k. I called another person that I know in Ota. That one said it's 49.50k. So I don't know how much they sell it in Abeta, because Abeta is another place that sell a bit cheaply. So, but 60k. If I buy from Ota, the transport to bring it down here, I will still end up spending close to that amount. So in my head, I just feel like buying here is better. But I just wanted to know the price so that I will gauge how to negotiate with this guy. But in the evening, later, I would go to his place and I will negotiate a bit and see if I could get like half bag of rice. At least once I know that there's rice in this house, half of my problem is gone. Half of my problem. So I want to see if we could reduce, maybe even if it's 2,000 or 3,000 reduced from the money. That would be something, right? And I know that it will save me the stress of ordering rice from that distance. But if you guys don't know, now you know. You're welcome. This morning I want to make breakfast. I still have a lot of work and reports to put and documents to send out. I want to make potato with egg. I'm famished. Like, it's like I woke up hungry. All my bones are hungry. Let's get cooking.
Blame it on my confidence, so blame it on your measurements. Shutting shit down on sight. That's right. We out here dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here dripping in finesse. You know it, you know we out here dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here dripping in finesse. You know it, you know. You don't need no designer and no makeup either, to be honest. Cause you be on your natural fly shit. You don't need it, you could even put your sweats on for me. Yeah, cause I got the plug, I'll make it call for green. Oh, I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't ya, no. Just say you will come through and chill, oh chill. Just say you will come through and chill, Said I wanna love all night, singing. Yeah. Said I wanna love all night. Yeah. We out here dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. Dripping in finesse with my baby. We out here dripping in finesse. It don't make no sense. Out here dripping in finesse. Yeah, you know it. Said I wanna love all night, singing. Yeah, cause you got it going on, got it going on. Yeah. Said I wanna love all night, alright. Yeah. Cause you got it going on, yeah. You know it. Can't tell you feeling the pressure. Can't tell you feeling the tension. You move your legs like this and that. Can't drive away the pressure. Like can't take skill expressions. Can't change the whole direction. You move your ways like this and that. Drive away the pressure, yeah. Can't change the whole direction. You move your ways like this and that. Drive away the pressure, yeah. Oh. hold your waist, I hold your waist, I hold your waist. I hold your waist, I hold your waist, I hold your waist. I like I see they go, I got see they go. Yeah. Listen. Yeah. Yo. Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo. Tell the girls
It
I
is
wanna be.
currently 4:30, and honestly, I cannot wait for the day to end. To be fair, 30 more minutes to the end of workday. I'm overly excited about that. And I don't know if it's just me, but MTN network has been very shitty over my place, like very bad. I can't even search for anything. I can't do anything. It just takes forever to load. And then there's a construction going up just right outside my window. And you know, with construction there's a lot of noise. They have machine on. There's just so much, right, that they are doing. So it's coming with a lot of noise, which is why I'm praying that the noise does not affect. But it's the machine is not on right now, so it's a bit quiet. So this is why I'm even able to talk and do this. My tripod broke about, I think, on Saturday. Yeah, in the night, right? I don't know what I was doing, but the tripod was on the bed, and then I was recording a voice note to a friend. And you know, the way you be recording a voice note, you're playing with something. The next thing I know, cracks, it just broke. Let me show you guys. This is like such a good tripod, and it's long, right? But I call this tripod or selfie stick. I tried using glue to glue it, and it worked, but the problem was I glued it the wrong way. Okay, well, not technically the wrong way. I glued it such that it would only be I glued it like this, but I mostly use my tripod like this, which is for landscape. This is vertical. So I removed it back again, and then the glue had entered here, and I can't use it. And it is paining me because, let me show you guys, it's long. At least long enough for me. Look at the length. Look at. I ordered a new one from Jumia, and it is like, it's very good. Even the weight, you would feel that, oh, this thing is good. I ordered a new one from Jumia. It's also good. Yes, that's what I'm using right now. But damn, it's not long. It is very short. I guess you win some, you lose some. Guys, see the eye difference between both. It is almost half of the other one. God, I feel like I was scammed. But anyways, yeah, it's what it is. And this is the construction happening right outside. Yeah. The construction people are back on, so there's noise coming from my room area. But anyways, it's currently way past maybe like 6ish right now. I want to head to the guy side selling the rice to go get rice. I'll call him my customer at this point. One of the things I learned from my mom is to have customer for everything. So I'm going to go get the rice. I already told him if he gives me any rubbish rice, I would return it back, and he agreed, because that's just it. If the rice does not, I think the last rice I bought from him was not swelling well. It just stays the same. I don't know if that's a thing, but I already told him, yeah. So, and then tomorrow I'm going to the office, so I want to make stew this evening so that I'll be able to have food to pack to the office tomorrow. And then I want to make okra soup. I've not had okra soup in a while, and I really miss it. And by the way, guys, I don't know if you guys have noticed, I eat fish a lot. I eat fish a fucking lot. First of all, it's affordable, but second of all, it's because last year while I was living with my roommate does not eat fish, right? She does not like fish. So throughout that 1 year with her, I didn't even eat fish. Even such that it gets so bad that even when I go out to buy food, I still will not buy fish. I'll buy meat. I don't know. It just, in my head, I don't know why, but I just stuck to not eating fish because she was not eating fish. So there's somewhere in my head where I feel like I want to make up for the past 1 year plus that I've not eaten fish. And I love fish. I love fish a lot. I'm a fish over chicken over beef. Beef is low for me. Chicken triumph beef, and then fish triumph chicken in my books. So I eat fish a lot, so I'm going to be making fish stew. Oh god. Yeah, and I also want to try to sleep early. God, I'm having a banging headache. I don't even know where it's coming from. But let's go.
I gotta give a game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time, she's out the door. I gotta go for mine. I think I say yo. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me wanna say yo. I know you're trying to leave, but excuse me, miss. I saved the last dance for you. How I love to keep you here with me. Listen to my heart go bottom, boot up, yeah. Baby, bottom, boot up. And my heart go bottom, boot up. Baby, bottom, it just won't stop it. How many ways can I say that I need you, baby? It's true. I think I might die without you. I feel it all over my body. You know how I like it. Ain't gotta tell you, feel it all over my body. You know how I like it. Ain't gotta tell you what to do. No, I'll never get over you until I find something new to get me high like you do. Yeah. Ooh. No, I'll never get over you until I find something new to get me high like you do.
Okay, so I'm done cooking. I want to clean up everywhere, wash the blender and cool. Nipa took the light while I was cooking, guys. So I'm done. I made the soup and stew, and there's my fufu. I want to go have my bath, and I want to believe that hopefully Nipa will bring lights before I'm done having my bath. If not, my room is very dark. We might have to sit down and eat in the kitchen if Nipa don't bring the light. I'm feeling like a chef. Do you know what I mean? Period. Nipa has not brought the light though. I kept waiting, but Nipa has not brought the light. So I want to just go ahead and have my dinner because I'm hungry. I'm very, very hungry. I don't want to stay in the kitchen to eat because the kitchen is hot. I'm boiling rice. My brother is boiling rice because he wants to eat rice instead of soup. And then maybe I should stay in the sitting room, but I don't know, man. I'm just going to go have dinner in the dark. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Hopefully Nipa will bring light soon. Maybe after I'm done eating or something. I don't know.
Never get over you until I find something new. Get me high like you do. Listen to my heart go bottom, boot up. Biddy da boot up. And my heart go bottom, boot up. Biddy da it just won't stop. It go bottom, boot up. Biddy da boot up. It just won't stop.
Hello, good morning. Good morning, guys. Gosh, I am late. Not like I'm late, but I am late. I woke up 6:30, and then what's the time now? Yeah, this is 7:32. By this time, was it last week or was it this week on Tuesday? I was already outside by this time. Already inside the bus, heading to work. But today, gosh, I'm still home. Let me quickly rush. I've already packed my food, so that one is covered. This is the oil I use. This is Disa body oil. Let me show you guys properly. The one I like using is actually the jojoba or ohoba oil. That pronunciation is always funny to me. The jojoba oil. That's the one I started using first, and the one I really like. And that was because I read that it's very good for skin repair and co, which was my main goal with my skin, just to repair and maintain it. So it's only jojoba oil I mostly use. But when I went there, me I no spoil my mic Amen. Guys, hold on. Sometime last week, I don't even know how it happened, but what do you call this thing? Pen. I don't know how it happened, but pen spilled everywhere, all over my stuff. Even my carry card is stained. I can't even find the carry card right now. I don't know. I feel like when the shoulder is up like this, it does not look that good. Or is it just me? I feel a bit of this looks better. I'm going to put like scarf over my shoulder. So yeah. But it's like a bando. Okay. Should I tie enough my hair up? Maybe I should have tied it up so that it will be like, okay, let's take this one. Yep. We are late. I should not be carrying this bag. I don't like carrying a wire bag when I'm wearing this type of top. But because I'm going out and I'm holding another bag, let's just carry this one. See, this is why I don't like it. But I don't want to hold bag in my shoulder. I should carry the other bag, but that one is stressful. That's it, like a bando. Another day to go and start doing kindly find attached. I know I'm not carrying my laptop today. I'm going to do everything from my phone. Carrying my laptop to work is one of like it's like the eighth deadly sin, because that laptop is so heavy. I regret anytime I have to take it out of this house, but you know, it's one of those strong laptops, so it helped me get my job done. I don't mind it, but I think it's for house. It's not for carrying around. Because I'm ready to go. And I'm going to end the vlog here. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Actually, yeah, I'll see you guys in my next vlog. And yes, I'm going to end the vlog here. How do I look, people of God? I'm going to see you lot. I'm going to see you guys in my next vlog. Hope you guys enjoy watching this vlog as much as I did making it. Yeah, let's go to work and bye. Everyone select come along. No, they find anybody in the money I want.